voice finally talking in a video for once instead of doing voiceover. Shit. Hopefully you don't find my voice too sickening. If you want to find out how I got this Stella unique ass look and this drunk, dude, I'm really drunk, then please keep watching. Just kidding. Thanks for checking out, man. Appreciate it. Really, all I want to do is help you. And I'm bored as fucking quarantine. Help me! But yeah, check it out. Anyways, so I'm going to start by sectioning out a big chunk of like my front pieces because I want the big face framing pieces to be dramatic. I just section those big chunks out of the way, and then essentially we are just going to put the rest of the hair in a ponytail. I want my ponytail to sit very high, so it kind of cascades down a little bit. You can do it lower if you want, whatever floats your boat, but just remember, wherever it sits, it's going to settle down a little bit. So if you think that you're putting it high when you're putting it up here, it always is going to sink down a little slightly, little bit. And there's tricks you could do to make it, you know, perch up better, but honestly, the best way is just put your ponytail a little higher up than what you want it. Boom, boom, boom. So since my hair is freshly washed, I'm going to use a little bit of Mousse. This is Rodeo Star from R&CO. Whatever, it doesn't really matter what you want to use. So just work it in around the roots. I didn't really put that much in. So yeah, all you really need for this look is a ponytail, bobby pins, a flat iron, and toilet paper. Ooh! Just kidding, I don't need that. Okay, this feels like I want it a little higher, so I'm just gonna pull all the hair up a little more. Let's see. Man, this shit is tiring, let me tell you. Oh, damn. Oh shit, that is so good. Man, these are deadly because you cannot even taste the alcohol. I just love gin. Oh yeah. Fuck, is that ever good, boys? Ooh! So funny because a lot of people, when you first see me, you're like, oh yeah, here's this like little blonde girl, she's cute, whatever. And then, you know, you hear me open my mouth when I'm not at work, you're like, what the hell? Where did that come from? Where the heck did that come from? And I can feel that it's a little janky right here. You can see it's a little bubbled out. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of mousse on my brush. Just gonna dab it so it gets everywhere, and then I'll start brushing it in. Y'all know I had to make another drink. What's up? What's up? I'm just gonna continue. Basically, even when you feel like it's enough brushing, it probably ain't, okay? So just keep giving her. What I would recommend for you guys is just to use a regular elastic ponytail that looks like that. Mine just has 2 hooks on the end because it's a little more bougie. And that's all I had. Obviously, I'm not very prepared. You can get cute looks when you're not prepared, okay, guys? Okay? So yeah, once you have your ponytail where you want it, which, fuck, I already put the hook in, so let's hope that this is where I want it. Oh, tight. I feel like I'm scaring you. Okay, now I'm just gonna let these fly free, fly free. Okay, you'll really realize how easy this look is. I'm just gonna take a little freaky poo-poo. You know, this is the second one, and it's only one shot each. I don't know. Okay, this was a little more than one shot. Okay. But I'm feeling pretty fucky. Okay, what happens next? So, even if you're just doing a basic ponytail without like styling it after, you just put up a cute ponytail, boom, done. Something that always makes it look more polished is having a piece of hair and wrapping it around that ponytail. So I'm kind of picking through my hair. I want to find a bit of a longer piece. That way there's enough hair to wrap around the ponytail. And since my hair is so clean, I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse. This just makes it a little sticky and it will hold a lot better, because the thing with these is, like, doing it this way is it might unravel after. So usually, if whatever hairstyle you're doing, if it doesn't feel secure, it ain't. It's gonna fall out, okay? I'm just gonna basically wrap it around, switching hands like that. Should I go closer? I don't know. Let's make it better or worse. Okay, and now I'm just about at the end. So I'm gonna hold it right here. Get my bobby pin that somewhat matches. I'm gonna stick it here in it. I'm gonna go over the opposite way, put it into the head, flip it back around, and go in towards the ponytail. And always, what I always say, make X's with your bobby pins. They'll hold way better. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing and make it X, or at least like go over it, crisscross them, whatever. And it's sticking out a little bit here. So we'll see if that bothers me. No, you can't really see it, but oh my gosh, did I look like friggin' Princess Jasmine all of a sudden? Oh shit, except for I missed a piece. Just take that piece, wrap it around, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around and pin it. I got this look from my little brother and I think it's so funny. Are you guys ready for this shit? Are you ready? You know, I like to get heat protected, especially when your hair is as fragile as mine, or bleached, or you use too much heat on it. You want to make sure to protect it. So I'm just using Ever Smooth by Kevin Murphy. It's my favorite. It smells amazing. Okay, we'll get through this. I'm having fun, okay? Okay, don't get mad. Come on. And yo, if you're gonna be repping, you know, Walmart flat iron, make sure that you use heat protectants, especially one that actually fucking works, because otherwise you're frying your hair. Or you know what? If you want to fry your hair, I don't give a fuck. Oh, little hair. Man, that's the thing about being a hairstylist. You get used to having hair everywhere. Okay, so since mine is like pretty thick, I'm gonna separate it into two sections. If you want a more subtle look with this, you could just do the styling just like this without separating it like I'm about to, okay? But I'm a hairstylist. It's all about details, even though honestly I felt my ponytail. And it's a little shit. It's a little shit, I'm not gonna lie. It's hard to do shit on yourself, you know what? I'm trying. What more do you want, okay? Showed you how to do something cute, fuck off. Okay, no. Anyways, I'm gonna take the flat iron horizontal to the section. And at first I'm just gonna go like this, turn it like that, pull it out. And if you hold it like that until it cools a little bit, there's a couple ways of doing this. You can totally take it out and let it push it up, let it cool a little bit like I'm doing. And this makes a softer wave, or now I'm gonna put it in where I left off and go in the opposite direction, or you could go like this. Pull a little bit, twist back around, pull, do the bottom straight, and you see like this first curl right here is nice and soft, but this one is like really dramatic, which, you know, I'm not all for that drama. Every time I'm like, oh no, what if this is too much? What if this is too crazy? I think, do I actually like this? Or am I just worried about what people think? And if the answer is I'm just worried what everyone else is gonna think, I'm like, fuck it. I love this look, I'm gonna do it. Fuck everyone else. And then I just live my life. Okay, I'm drunk. Okay, so this one I'm gonna do the top a little more subtle the first way. Hold it a little bit, go back in where I left off. Twist the opposite way, pull down a little bit, boom. Boom. And then the ends, you want to make sure you kind of pull it through. Oh my god, that looks kind of jacked up. So if it turns out jacked like that, just go over it like you're fucking flat ironing it. Like you're fucking flat ironing it. And boom, look how cute that section looks already.
Boom. Hold it.
And always at the end, you just want to go straight down. So after you do your last curve, you're like, there's not much left. Just go straight down. Because if you went out, the hair is going straight out, as you might have noticed on this other side. Do you guys ever do this in pictures? I do it all the time. And it's like, why can't my lips just look like that? In, pull down, flip the opposite way, pull down, opposite way, oh, and straight down. Why is this not even sheet? There we go. See, that's what I like, just like that little curl. So for the ponytail, we're going to do it the same texture as the front pieces. And it's easier to do it once it's in the ponytail because there's less to do, you know? The bigger section you take, the looser the style is going to be. So the looser my little texture is going to be from taking like a bigger section, right? You could always go slower too. And then straight down to the ends. Oh, just the thing with waving your hair is you might think, oh fuck, this looks like shit. But just keep going. Wait till it's all done and then tweak any little thing you have to and it'll look fine. It'll be fine. You know what? Everyone's probably doing the same shit as I am in quarantine. Just, you know, watching so much TV. So usually for the ponytail, I like it to be a little more zhuzhed up. I like to use a dry powder texture spray, which is regular from a normal texture spray, because normal texture sprays are a little more sticky. Dry powder just makes it a little more powdery, basically. If you ever tried it, you know what I mean. I don't have one on me, but I do have dry shampoo, so that'll work. And if you don't have dry shampoo, if you have some sort of hairspray, that's totally fine too. Just lift up your ponytail and go dush, 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 dush. Oh! Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the top section. Even if it's just a third or a half, whatever, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to backcomb it slightly. Another section, boom, 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 boom. Last, boom, 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 boom. And then just pick through the top so you don't see any of that rat's nest under there. Oh shit, I do look cute. And you know what? This look is great for us gals with them roots because you don't really see them and it makes you feel really blonde. And so yeah, like I said, if you feel like when you're waving it, it's not going exactly how you're wanting or whatever, just don't stress, man. I was not stressed. I was like, oh fuck, like here's another one that looks kind of jank. But like if I did this on a client, it'd be way easier than doing it on myself, you know? So don't beat yourself up because it still looks super cute. I'm not worried about that part because what the fuck is, like, who's gonna be staring at the top of my head unless you're a tall man? And if a man is worried about that, fuck him. Fuck him. You know? Whatever. What are you gonna say? What are you gonna do? Anyways. So yeah, this is the final look. It's a little different. That's why I like it, but it's still like wearable. Yo, and I really appreciate everyone looking past the big ring that is on my glasses because some of us just can't afford to wear contacts all the time, you know? And if it was contacts, it would look just like a cute little ring in my eyes, you know? My eyes would be glistening. But no, it's a big circle like this, just to get that lighting. A nice lighting so I could film whenever I want, which is the main thing. So, if you think it's more annoying for me to do voiceover or more annoying for me to talk, let me know. Bro, let me know, dude. Let me know. Oh shit, no. I don't know what I'm saying. Yo, anyone watch Chris D'Elia? Yo, that dude's the man, bro. Yes! Yes! And Mousse ain't gonna get that reference. See up close? Shit. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, fucked up part, but who cares? Because it still looks really fucking cute. And you see it's like imperfect in the ponytail. That's okay too, because we just want texture, right? You know what, guys? All y'all that watch this, thank you. Because what I try to base my life on is not about being perfect, but loving yourself and being positive. Love ya.